Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Whirlpool Washer Bearing Kit is probably one of the most important components for keeping your washing machine running smoothly and efficiently. In this video, we will do an in-depth review of this essential part, exploring its features, benefits, and installation process, helping you determine if it's the right choice for your appliance maintenance needs. Number 5. Octopus Washer Repair Kit. This comprehensive kit contains everything you need to fix your washing machine. It's designed for a smooth and easy repair experience. You'll receive 2 bearings, a bearing seal, a drive shaft, nuts and spacers, and more. Everything is included for a complete repair. It features durable metal construction, ensuring it outlasts original parts. The kit includes 6006 and 6005 2RS bearings for a perfect fit. The shaft measures 13.5 mm, with a diameter of 35.8 mm and a lip of 1.9 mm. Check our compatibility list to ensure it's right for your machine. We stand behind our product with a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 90-day limited warranty. Use grease or oil for optimal performance. This kit is designed for easy installation. Even if you're not a professional, you can fix your washing machine with this kit. What we like. This kit boasts a comprehensive 13-piece design, ensuring you have all the necessary components for a complete repair. Its durable metal construction promises longevity, exceeding the lifespan of original parts. If you value a complete solution and a reliable warranty, this is the kit for you. What people say. The repair was complete in a little over 2 hours. You will have to overcome a few glitches or stuck parts here and there, but it was nothing the careful use of a hammer and wood block couldn't overcome. Most importantly, the new seal is accomplished by a well-greased inner fit riding on 2 surfaces, and a tight outer fit that now includes a tacky adhesive to assure water doesn't get by. I feel it'll last much longer than the original setup. This kit came with everything you need to replace the bearing, shaft and seal. Components were quality and fit together perfectly. We have already put at least 80 loads through the washer since my repair and everything is holding up great. Good as new. Number 4. Whirlpool Washer Bearing Kit. This bearing kit is compatible with many Whirlpool washing machines. It's a simple solution to noisy or leaking problems. It replaces several part numbers, including AP5325033, 211, 8925, and PS3503261, making it a convenient replacement for your washer. While compatible with many brands, including Maytag and KitchenAid, it's important to note that it's not officially endorsed by Whirlpool. The kit comes with everything you need for a complete repair: bearings, seals, a drive shaft, and more. It's a comprehensive solution. Made of high-quality steel, it's built to last. This kit has undergone rigorous testing to ensure its durability and performance. This kit is designed to fix common problems like excessive noise and leaks in your washing machine. Get it back to working order quickly. What we like. Made from premium steel, this kit guarantees a robust and long-lasting repair. It effectively addresses noisy and leaking issues, restoring your washer to its quiet, efficient self. If you prioritize durability and a seamless fit across various models, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The bearings went bad on my washer, and while this took a few hours, it was a better alternative than spending 5 times as much for a new bearing tub assembly. I got another 6 months out of my washer before its control board went bad. Yes, a little bit of work to do for an average repair, but if you take your time, follow a YouTube video, can have disassembled in a couple hours. Hardest part is pressing in the bearings, made by the installation tool. I machined my own. Apply grease to the inner and glue to the outer gasket. Had a very loud roar on the spin cycle on the Whirlpool Cabrio model. These parts fixed the problem and so much quieter. Number 3. Octopus Washing Machine Bearing Kit. This kit makes repairing your washing machine easy. It includes everything you need to replace worn-out bearings and get your machine running smoothly again. Inside, you'll find a grabber tool, adhesive, a new washer shaft, and replacement bearings. Everything is designed to work together for a seamless repair. The kit's intuitive design simplifies the repair process. Even if you're not a repair expert, you can easily follow the instructions. It's built with durable, high-quality components to ensure a long-lasting repair. You can trust it to keep your washing machine running for years to come. This kit addresses common washing machine issues like noisy operation and slow spin cycles. It's the perfect solution for restoring your appliance to peak performance. This kit is compatible with a wide range of washing machines. Check the packaging to see if it's compatible with your model. What we like. This kit provides all the essential parts and tools for a smooth repair process. Its design simplifies installation, saving you time and effort. If you prefer a convenient, hassle-free repair experience, this is the ideal option. What people say. The YouTube instructions are excellent. It took me about 4 hours to fix the washer, but I saved a call to the repair man or $1,000 on a new washer. It comes with all the tools you need except for common tools such as socket wrenches, hammer, etc. Now it runs and sounds like new. I was able to tip the washer back enough in my laundry room to access the bottom to perform the repair. I had to do the 2x4 scissor jack method to remove the drum from the drive shaft, but no big deal. It was easy. I recommend doing a good power wash or scrub to all the plastic components and tub. Make sure to check and clean the filter plate in the bottom of the tub. Worked well, the installation tools worked great. Started to tap the drive shaft in, noticed it was not going to fit into the bearing. Had to take some emery cloth to get it to fit. Other than this, product worked and washer is much quieter now. Number 2. XiKe Washer Repair Kit. This kit has everything you need to fix your washing machine. It's a comprehensive solution for common washer problems. This specialized tool makes installing and removing bearings a breeze. It's designed for a precise and easy repair. It includes all the hardware you'll need, except the spindle. Everything is here for a complete repair. These ABCE5 precision bearings are more durable than the original ones. They'll keep your washer running smoothly for years. We stand behind our product. Buy with confidence knowing it's backed by a 5-year warranty. This kit is compatible with many Whirlpool and Maytag models. Check the description to ensure compatibility with your machine. What we like. This kit features precision bearings designed to outperform original components. The inclusion of installation and removal tools streamlines the repair process. If you are looking for superior performance and long-term peace of mind, this kit is a great investment. What people say. Repaired all by myself and I work behind a desk. Not hard, and YouTube videos made it easy. Watch the videos ahead of time. You will need something to tie the top of washer from opening all the way and breaking. I used part of a ratchet strap. I have no issues with leaking. Was super noisy and had constant UL code, but now all is as it should be, nice and quiet. Product worked well, following instructions made installation easy. I would recommend getting the shaft with the kit. The shaft does corrode and could be cleaned up but would be better with a replacement. First the bearings look to be of good quality, and the seal is indistinguishable from OEM. My washer is now as quiet as new. Number 1. Octopus Washer Repair Kit. This comprehensive kit contains everything you need to fix your washing machine. It's designed for a perfect fit and long-lasting performance. You'll receive a new shaft, bearings, a bearing seal, nuts and spacers, silicone sealer, and bearing grease. Everything is included for a complete repair. It features durable metal construction, designed to outlast original parts. The bearings are 6006 and 6005 2RS, double rubber shielded for superior protection. The shaft measures 13.5 mm in length, with a 35.8 mm diameter and a 1.9 mm lip. This ensures a perfect fit for your machine. Check our compatibility list to ensure it's right for your model. We offer a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 90-day warranty against manufacturing defects. For best results, use grease or oil instead of canned lubricant. This will help ensure its longevity and optimal performance. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive 11-piece solution for your washer repair needs. Its durable metal construction ensures lasting performance. If you need a reliable, well-equipped kit with a solid warranty, this is a great option. What people say. Was a perfect fit alternate for AP5325033. Shaft dimensions were all good and flange was in good shape. I had to install 2 of these sets. The first time I used another brand and it lasts 2 weeks. This one is still going strong months later. I use the bearings install tool that I already own. This job is not for the faint-hearted, but you can do it if you follow the instructions to the letter. I want to say that this item is good value for money and I have ordered it twice and the first time round had no issues at all. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.